Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In general, German shops are closed on Sundays. Exceptions are bakeries, shops at gas stations open 24/7, or grocery stores in train stations. Opening hours vary, but they are usually open at least until 11 o'clock during the week, many much later, and on Sundays. 6 March 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
In Germany, most businesses are closed on Sundays and public holidays. Even supermarkets are closed, so people who move to Germany quickly learn to do their grocery shopping in advance. Fortunately, some grocery stores and pharmacies in Berlin are opened on Sundays. 6 January 2021.
Let's help you make your mark.
Opening hours in general, shops are open from Monday to Saturday. Smaller shops, such as bakeries, open very early in the morning and may close a bit earlier, especially on Saturdays. All shops except petrol stations and bakeries are closed on Sundays.
Take our lead.
Work on Sundays and public holidays is generally prohibited. There are exceptions available for workers in the service industry. However, work on Sundays has to be compensated for by corresponding time off within the next 2 weeks, or 8 weeks in the case of work on public holidays.
Let's help you make your mark.
Because Sunday is a Christian holiday, and traditionally, like in many Western countries, Sunday is a day to rest. So, most shops in Western Europe follow a Sunday holiday approach. Except very shops which may be open for some hours on Sunday.
Take our lead.
Is it true that Germans don't do their laundry on weekends for fear that the noise of the washing machine may annoy their neighbors? It is getting better, but yes, doing laundry on Sundays is frowned upon. Saturday is okay though. That is the classic day for doing it.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.